So AI is a new kind of a tool that has recently popped up over the course of these last 2 years, year and a half or so. And you can use it for all kinds of stuff, all different kinds of technology to make things better. But in the space of artwork and art creation, there's definitely I would say a disconnect between artists and AI art. Obviously, because with AI, you can create an image in like 2-3 seconds and have something that looks pretty good. But in this video, I'm talking about the joy of actually creating your own piece of artwork. Even though a AI software can create this piece of artwork in a matter of seconds, I don't think that can replace the joy of drawing that can be found in the process. And so in this background, you can see me drawing my two characters in this desert environment, and that's not something you can get with AI. It's cool, you can do it, you can use it for some awesome things, but when it comes to creating artwork, the joy is in the process. And I've definitely messed around with these apps, different apps, to just play around with the AI. It is cool how you can create these images and stuff, but there's no joy in it. There's no soul in it, especially if you want to draw your own characters and create the world around them. As an artist, the best feeling I have is just the process of creating the art itself, drawing these characters, and then seeing my improvement throughout the whole process. I remember being like first drawing digitally and having fun back then, drawing my own characters and learning how to draw. That's something that AI doesn't really help you with. If you really want to get good at drawing, you actually have to put in that time, and it's almost like a shortcut or almost like a cheat code. You can put in a prompt and then get what you want, but you don't really improve as an artist or a creative person. I have found that most of the time, when I'm creating a piece of artwork, I like the process of actually creating it more than I like the actual finished product. And I'm sure other people feel the same. That's where the saying like the sketch looks better than the finished piece comes from. You might like the energy and the animation of that sketch that you did more than the finished piece, but that's a part of the process. That's part of improving and enjoying the process of your work. So don't get discouraged by AI artwork. It's cool, it's a fun tool, but at the same time, it's not going to challenge you. It's not going to allow you to get better as an artist. It's not going to allow you to create what you want to create, how you want to create it, and that's found in the process of actually creating. So yeah, what I like to do is create some type of story around my characters. In this piece, I have a master and a student kind of relationship going on, and so there's not much of a story to this, but to the specific piece, but for the characters there is. And that's the kind of stuff that you can't really explore with AI artwork, AI generated stuff. Creating stories around your characters is the most fun part for me, and then actually executing on an illustration like this is like the cherry on top, because I can see what I had in my head envisioned on a piece of paper, in this case on a digital canvas, and I can get exactly what I was looking for. Even though my skills might not be there yet, I can work up to that. And so yeah, AI is cool, but when it comes to actually creating a piece of artwork, creating the stories that you want to create, and creating the world that you want to build, and the stories you want to tell, it falls short in that area. So yeah, don't be discouraged. Keep drawing, keep having fun with it, challenge yourself, and enjoy the process. Like I said, the process is the most fun part for me, because a lot of the times I don't like the finished product. This one I do like. I challenged myself by painting the background and being a little bit more loose with my characters and my line art. It wasn't like a really defined kind of line art style. I just kind of painted over my sketch and made sure my focal point was the face of the characters. But yeah, overall this was a fun process, and don't let AI discourage you from creating what you want to create. And even though you might not execute it well, just keep going, keep practicing, keep painting, drawing, and have fun with it. So I will see you in the next video, and peace out.